Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Right now, without even thinking, you are breathing. Air goes in, air goes out, and life continues. But if you could see inside your body at this very moment, you would realize that breathing is not a simple action at all. It is a powerful system working continuously, second after second, without rest. The respiratory system is responsible for delivering oxygen to every single cell in your body and removing carbon dioxide, a waste gas that can harm you if it builds up. This process happens thousands of times every day, silently keeping you alive. The journey of air begins the moment you inhale. Air enters through your nose or mouth, but the nose does more than just allow air in. It filters dust, germs, and unwanted particles, and also warms the air before it reaches your lungs. From there, the air travels down a long tube called the trachea or windpipe. This tube acts like a highway, guiding air into the lungs. As it moves deeper, the path splits into smaller tubes called bronchi, and then even smaller branches known as bronchioles. These tiny pathways spread throughout the lungs like the branches of a tree, ensuring that air reaches every corner. At the end of these tiny branches are millions of microscopic air sacs called alveoli. These are the real working units of the lungs. Each alveolus is surrounded by a network of very thin blood vessels. When air reaches these sacs, oxygen passes through their thin walls into the blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide, which is carried in the blood from different parts of the body, moves into these sacs to be removed. This exchange happens in a fraction of a second, yet it is one of the most important processes in the human body. Without it, cells would not get the oxygen they need to produce energy. Breathing is powered by muscles, mainly the diaphragm and the muscles between the ribs. The diaphragm is like a flexible sheet located below the lungs. When you breathe in, the diaphragm moves downward, creating space in the chest so the lungs can expand and fill with air. When you breathe out, it moves upward, pushing air out of the lungs. This movement happens automatically, controlled by the brain, which constantly monitors how much oxygen your body needs. When you exercise, run, or even feel stressed, your brain signals the body to breathe faster and deeper to meet the increased demand. The respiratory system does not work alone. It is closely connected with the circulatory system. Once oxygen enters the blood, it attaches to red blood cells and travels throughout the body. Every cell uses this oxygen to produce energy that powers everything you do, from walking and talking to thinking and sleeping. After using oxygen, the cells release carbon dioxide as waste. This waste travels back through the blood to the lungs, where it is removed when you exhale. This continuous cycle of oxygen in and carbon dioxide out keeps your body balanced and functioning smoothly. However, this system is very sensitive and can be affected by the environment and lifestyle. Polluted air, smoking, dust, and harmful chemicals can damage the lungs over time. Diseases like asthma, bronchitis, and infections can narrow the airways or reduce the efficiency of oxygen exchange. When the lungs cannot deliver enough oxygen, the whole body feels tired and weak because every organ depends on oxygen to function properly. Even small problems in breathing can affect energy levels, focus, and overall health. Taking care of your respiratory system is not difficult, but it requires awareness. Breathing clean air, avoiding smoking, staying active, and drinking enough water are simple steps that protect your lungs. Regular exercise increases lung capacity, allowing you to take deeper breaths and use oxygen more efficiently. Practicing deep breathing helps strengthen lung muscles and improves oxygen flow. Keeping your surroundings clean and avoiding exposure to dust and pollution also supports healthy breathing. Breathing is something we often take for granted, but it is the foundation of life. Every breath carries oxygen that fuels your body and removes waste that could harm you. Your respiratory system works without stopping, day and night, keeping you alive and active. Understanding how it works not only increases awareness, but also reminds you to take care of your lungs. Because in the end, every breath you take is a step that keeps you alive. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.